Good
Good
day,
day,
everyone. I'm Jamatay Sail Habig and my partner.
I'm Carla Jean Palmera.
So we are here to introduce some species that endemic here in Palawan. First is the Palawan hornbill. Palawan hornbill is a large bird that endemic in the Philippines. One of the 11 endemic hornbill is found only in Palawan, nearby island of Balabac, Coron, Culion, and Busuanga. Palawan hornbill is known by its unique white horn in his head and his black color body. Number 2 in our list is the Siberioclina rhynchinis, or also known as the forest turtle. It is a freshwater turtle that endemic in Palawan, and it is classified as a critical endangered species. Next is the Polectron napoleonis, or the Palawan peacock pisan. It is a medium-sized bird up to 50 centimeters long. It is one of the endemic birds in Palawan. Palaweño call this bird the Tandika, the Batak and Tagbanwa language of Palawan. The bird is also depicted in the official seal of Puerto Princesa City. Next is the scaly anteaters, or the pangolin. There are many kinds of pangolin. One of them is endemic here in Palawan, the Palawan pangolin. Some people catch them to get their scale and export to China and other countries to make medicine. And others catch them to make food out of its meat. The pangolin is the only mammal that have scale in our planet. The 20% of the weight of the pangolin is his scale. Last in our list is the Palawan flycatcher. Palawan flycatcher is a species of bird in the family of Musciphidia. This bird is endemic in the Philippines, found only in the islands of Palawan. The habitat of this bird is the tropical moist lowland forest. This bird is also threatened because of the habitat loss. Favors undergrowth with a palm or bamboo. The color of this bird is dark brown above and a white belly, and the orange tail and chest. This bird is similar to the Palawan blue.
We hope that you learned some knowledge about endemic species here in Palawan. Thank you.
Thank you for watching.